Hello guys, welcome to Mr. In this video, what about I talk to you for how to fix the operation did not completely successfully because the file contains virus and potential unwanted software. So, OK button click here to close it. And before that, like and comment this video. Don't forget subscribe. And method is one by one follow to this problem fix it. Okay. Now let's go hit method. First method for the restart. So sometimes this is working now. So go to the start menu. Then power key press restart button. You get to restart your system. Then go to the next method. That method for the Windows security disable. So go to that Windows security. That software installed to before. This is disabled. So go to virus and threat protection. Then come to then virus and threat protection update. Here allowed threats first of all. And clean all. After that come to back. First that files all allow, after that come to back, then go to the virus and that protection, then come to manage settings, click here, then real-time protection disable, switch off, yes, click here, after that close it, then go to the start menu, then power key press restart button, click to restart your system, then go to the next step. That step for then third party antivirus disable. You have like MCF, FE, Windows Security or 360-degree Windows Security, something antivirus we have installed. Then first of all that disabled. After that come to then restart. After that restart your system. Then check it that installed file. Again install it. Then your problem fix. Again still this problem running. Disable the startup antivirus disabled. So go to that task manager. Then click here to open it. Then go to the startup. Then Windows security fine. Now here status is check it, then come to below Windows security, then disabled. I have already disabled, but do you have enabled? Then right click to disabled. Okay, now close it. Again this arrow check it, Windows security disable or enable, then right click to exit. After that restart your system, then your problem fix now. Thanks for watching and like and comment this video. Don't forget subscribe. If you have any queries, please ask me anytime.